So here's our 2015 Chevy Equinox. It's 2.4 liter LT front wheel drive. This Equinox actually comes to us with a salvage title. There was only damage just to right about here on the vehicle, and that's it. I'll get to that here in a moment. There was absolutely no damage whatsoever here to the front of the vehicle at all. Nothing was painted, buffed, scratched, or anything. I believe there's about 10,000, 11,000 miles on this vehicle, so it's still just like brand new. Here you can see the brake calipers are still the factory gold. Tire treads like new. There's no damage down this side, no little dings or scratches. It does have a backup camera here, as you can see. Now this vehicle had damage, and it was pretty much only hit just right here in the door, right here. This door was replaced. It's still the original front door and still the original quarter panel. So none of that was replaced at all. It's just this door. There was, if I remember correctly, there was some dings up in here, so the front door had to be, of course it had to be blended to match the paint from this door. But just the back edge of the door, I believe, had some touch-up on it as well. There's nothing to the fender, nothing to the rear. Everything works, heat, AC, all of that all works just fine. The cord here is just my cell phone charger. I've been driving this vehicle as my personal vehicle. I've got probably about 1,000 miles, give or take, on it. I will actually go ahead and shut her off and open my door here. As you can see, there's 11,975 miles on it. I do only have one key for it. Go ahead and start it up, and I'll keep my hand up here just so you can see I'm not clearing any idiot lights or anything like that on you. The only one here is, of course, this one's the cruise control light, which if I hit this button here, that goes out. The other one is our seatbelt light, saying we have to put the seatbelt on. So I put that on, and no other lights whatsoever. Apologize, we're kind of right into the sun here. There we go. Here you can see our interior. Looks like no owner's manual. And we'll take her out for a little drive. Vehicle runs and drives perfectly true and straight. There's no shimmies or shakes. No issues whatsoever there. You can see we're almost highway speed. Let go of the steering wheel. It's not pulling one way or the other. Again, there was no damage to any of the drivetrain. All of that was, of course, not undamaged, so it's all still original. that's pretty much going to conclude our test drive here for today. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much, and have a good day.